Lucius locks.
The bargies are now waving their bottoms and doing deliberate stinky toots.
What's with all the squabbling today? Those planets, you two, McLaren. Where is she anyway? I want to give her a piece of my mind and a piece of cake in the face.
It's just in. An escape pod is headed for the stinky space between the bickering planets. It's about to be caught in the smelly cloud.
That's McLaren and our escape pod.
Turn the pod back!
The kerfuffles are causing too much interference.
We have to stop the planets bickering.
How?
Can you make that light yellow, please? Idea lights are always yellow.
I got a lot of love for you, and I know you feel it too. But fighting ain't gonna solve all our problems. Cause you are my best friend, so don't play pretend that we ain't gonna be okay. I'm sorry for what I said and the way that things went. Now we just forgive and forget. Cause we don't need to argue, friendship is forever when we stick together. You know I never meant to hurt you, but nobody's perfect and we gotta work it out. Cause some things are better just left unsaid. So if it's not nice, don't waste your breath. We don't need to
What a fantastic melody. That's a banging beat. I just complimented Nova. Hear that, universe? I love my sister. I love my sister!
We don't need to argue, friendship is forever when we stick together. You know I never meant to hurt you, but nobody's perfect and we gotta work it out. Cause
Planet Argy and Planet Bargy have declared they're friends again. It's a musical miracle.
we don't need to argue, friendship is forever when we stick together.
It was horrible saying all those nasty things. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry, sis. I can't promise to never be a meanie again, but I can promise to try really hard.
One second. Just wait there.
I'm really not sure, Sid.
Oh, come on, Captain. A bold new direction. We're in comedy.
It's pretty shocking stuff. Okay.
So, I was picking my nose the other day.
Do you really think I should admit to that?
Everybody does it, Captain. People will love you crossing those lanes.
Okay.
I picked out a big, a green, a horrible.
Go on.
I can't. It's too rude. It's just not me. I was raised to believe if you can't say anything nice, only say it to great Uncle Seamus.
Ta-da! You prettified the Barnet beast.
So much for it's all about what's inside.
Come on. Must be something. The print is so small, I can't. I need a super shrink ray.
Warm up then. Here we go. La 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 la. No, like this. La 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 la. La. La! What's wrong with you? You did it before. What's changed?
You're pretty. I made you pretty and now your voice doesn't work. I washed your pretty voice away. McLaren! Ta-da! So, what do you think? It's made of sweets. That's the greatest dress ever! Glam and delicious.
Could you not eat my dress, please? If you want sweets, there's oodles of leftovers. But wait, this is the best part.
It plays music too. Nice. Is this your latest single?
We just wrote. It's called Me, Myself,
and me. Written by, well, me, myself, and me.
I think you'll find this song is also written by...
Genius songwriting skills and impeccable dress sense.
Just doesn't seem fair on anyone else, does it?
Can we go to the gala?
Ah, that's not for the likes of us, Sydney. Besides, it's washing day.
Oh, can we go to the laundry room?
Yep.
Yay!
Ready for your big entrance, Nova?
I don't want to be too early. Fashion clock? Look, at the beep, it'll be fashionably late o'clock. Okay, perfect. Kid songwriter, a little beaming down music, please.
Here comes Jonky.
Nova?
Look what he's wearing.
My dress! He's wearing my totally original dress!
Amazing.
Jonathan!
And I thought I'd just hang out here with you. Very quietly, maybe share a blanket. Just so you know, I'm here.
Thanks so much. And remember, it's Sid, the personal assistant. PA is spelled S-I-D.
I feel so alone. I know I'm not the only one. I feel like I've lost before I've even begun. I know you feel it too. You can see my point of view. I wish I could close my eyes and wake up brand new. I know it's okay to make mistakes. I'm human. I know when I make it through the day, then I've won. I'm seeing gray. It won't go away, but there's color in the darkest of days. So I know it's gonna be okay. I'm seeing gray. It won't go away, but there's color in the darkest of days. So I know it's gonna be okay. I know I'm not alone. I just gotta take my time, 'cause I know we all can feel this sometimes. I know it's okay to make mistakes. I'm human. I know when I make it through the day.
Now I see it. Oh, Nova.
I'm seeing gray.
What's music for if not to share feelings?
We all feel this way sometimes.
Darkest of days, so I know it's gonna be okay.
I loved your song. Thank you. Well, I never sleep. Yeah. Do you know what you want to do tomorrow? Let's see how I feel.
You're being very brave, Nova.
I know. I really am. I've had Gurgle for 2 days. It's basically a lifetime.
Really sorry you're gonna miss your party, Captain.
It is sad I won't see Admiral Londo and get another approving pat on the shoulder.
This is the right thing to do. Okay, keep in mind the gravity on Gurgle is very heavy.
We know.
Very heavy.
I told you.
I'm not prepped for this. Ah, my back.
Go on then, my boy. Go be home. Go, Gurgle. You'll be happy here. You'll...
Goodbye, Nova. I shall never forget your kindness.
You can speak?
Duh. Yes, I can speak.
Why haven't you said anything until now?
It is quite hard to interrupt you, Nova Jones. Oh, McLaren,
Yes, Gurgle?
I'm sorry if I was grumpy with you. I just really disapprove of Mercury's shopping. Their website tricks people into clicking things they don't want. But now I must express my gratitude. Nova, you were like a mother to me. You bathed me, fed me, cared for me.
I literally did the same things.
Yeah, but she's Nova Jones. She'd never usually do that stuff. I won't forget you, Nova. Goodbye.
I'm just... so... sad.
I can feel you out there, making me strong.
Yes, yes, the fields. She has them, she has.
Now you
The
are
fields.
gone, and I'm holding on. Yes, I'm holding strong. Can we be together forever? Where are you now? Can we be together forever? I'm searching the crowd. I'm chasing memories. You'll always be with me.
She's doing brilliantly, isn't she? Not a single glass as much as chipped.
And without my ordering mistake, Gurgle, Nova would have never got the feels.
Wait a minute. It can't be. Londo!
Can we be together forever? Where are you now?
Londo! 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 Admiral Londo.
The captain of the North. You look just the same.
Well, what are you doing here?
Didn't you hear? Nova Jones is playing her first ever ballad.
You're a fan of Nova.
When the rumor got out, I knew I had to leave the party early and use some of my awesome space flying skills to get here in time for the concert.
Well, actually, I'm in charge of Nova's ship. That's my cockpit over there.
That's excellent.
Approving pat on the shoulder.
Good for you.
No. That was meant for me.
Forever, I'm searching the crowd, chasing memories. You'll always be with me.
Oh, that is so much better.